You asked, how to divide 1728 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 17. 17 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 17 minus 16 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 432.